Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at a portable charger for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. It's by ZEROLEMON. This is the MagJuice Plus. Inside it comes with the user manual and a USB-C cable. Briefly going over some specs, this is a portable charger for your Apple iPhone, AirPods, and your Apple Watch. This has a 10,000 milliamp battery, 20 watt USB-C port for fast charge and recharge, 2 magnetic wireless charging pads with a USB-C output for 3 devices simultaneously charging, charging pass-through supported, and it works as a MagSafe charger and a watch charger. 3 wireless charging speeds, 7.5 watt max for your iPhone, 3 watt max for your Apple Watches, and 5 watt max for your AirPods. So taking a look at the battery pack, it has a matte finish, flat white matte finish all around. It's fairly light. Checking the bottom, you have the status LED, so it will give you the charge status. On the left side, you have the USB-C in and out. So this is to charge the battery pack, and you can also use it as a charge out feature and charge your devices. On the back, you have the magnetic charging for the Apple Watch. And on the other side, you can charge your iPhone and your AirPods. You also have this stand here, so you can lay it on a surface like so. So taking a look at it with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, I have it in a MagSafe charger. It just attaches like so, and then you can see it begins to charge. Magnet is pretty strong, it doesn't fall down. And then you have the battery indicator, the status indicator when it's charging on the bottom. And again, you can use the stand like so and prop the phone up. It also has the 20 watt power delivery input output, so you can charge it with the USB-C cable and also use it as a charge out feature and charge your iPhone or other devices. So you can attach the USB-C cable like so, and then plug it into your device, and it begins to charge. And you can charge multiple devices. I don't have an Apple Watch, but you can charge the Apple Watch and a phone at the same time, and also charge it. And it also supports charging for your AirPods. This is the AirPods Pro, and you just put it on the top there and it begins to charge. So this is a versatile charger in my opinion. You have a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. You can charge your iPhone as mentioned, along with your Apple Watch, and you can charge your AirPods Pro. It is a little bit on the larger side, but it has a lot of capabilities. So that's the quick look at the ZEROLEMON MagJuice Plus portable charger. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.